Hi and welcome to the TPP Training Academy. In this short video I'm going to show you how, as an organisation, you can create data entry templates and make them available to be published and used via a patient in the Airmid app. Here in our new template maintenance screen, we can see that we have an existing data entry template that has been published to an app group. Okay, so once data entry templates have been made available to be filled out by the patient via the Airmid app, the patient can log into the Airmid app, they can select surveys, they'll then be able to select a data entry template that they want to fill out. In this instance, our COVID-19 symptom checker. The patient can simply select the fields that they want to fill out. If they wish, they can record notes against the fields. They then click Save up at the top right to save that information into the patient's record.